Hi, this is Thomas Tang. I'm here at ISE 2020. In this video, I wanted to highlight our KVM and Multiviewer product combined into one. So in this product here, it's a 4K KVM product and as well as a 4K Multiviewer. So each one of these are individual computers. And as you can see, we could take different type of resolutions, even the odd ones like 3840 by 1080 and 1920 by 2160. So on this surface here, just by simply moving the mouse, we can switch to different computers. So no clicking needed, you just drag and drop. You drag over here and you control it. And you could have also advanced OSD, such as clocks, text describing, and then you can also load different presets. There are 30 different presets that you can load. For more about this product, you can find out at www.apantac.com.